Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install IntelliJ Idea on Windows 11. So first of all, open up Google. Now once you're in Google, type in IntelliJ Idea download. Hit enter. Now in there, go to this first link, JetBrains, click on it. Now once you're at the website, you will have to choose your operating system that you're using. I'm using Windows, so I'll just leave it at that. Now after that, scroll down and look for IntelliJ Idea Community Edition. Now in here, select the exe and click on download. So here the download is underway. So here the exe has been downloaded. I'm just going to go to the folder now. Now in here, just run this exe by just clicking on it. Now in here, click on next. Leave the destination folder as it is and click on next. Select this option right here and select this option right here, and after that click on next. And in here, click on install. Now after the installation process has completed, click on this button right here, and after that click on finish. Now in here, select this option right here, and after that click on continue, and in here click on don't send. Now in here, click on new project. Now in here, name this project something. I will go for, let's say, my demo project. Leave the location as it is. Leave the build system as IntelliJ. Now leave the JDK as it is. It will download the JDK on its own, and after that click on create. Now after the JDK has been successfully installed, we're just gonna test it by just, let's say, adding another word here, hello and goodbye. Now after you typed in the words, click on this play button right here, and here click on run main. And as you guys can see, the words have appeared here, hello and goodbye, that I just added. So this is the confirmation right there that IntelliJ Idea has been installed on Windows 11. So that is how you can install IntelliJ Idea on Windows 11.